Some people have asked me, how do you do NEM 2.0 applications for PG&E? And my answer is, I think they use PowerClerk, but I don't think it turns out they do use PowerClerk. So I did this, gonna do this short video just as a starting point, and then I'm hoping that you all will help others in the comments. So what we're gonna do is we're going to uh, take a look at what you might be able to do if you're a PG&E customer, but no guarantees, right? So what we're gonna do is I think the thing to do would be watch this video right here. Uh, it's the video I did on uh, the Power Clerk with Southern California Edison, and I'm guessing that the information is going to be the same. Then what you probably should do is go to this site right here. It's the projects PG&E, and then that will get you started on setting up a new account. And let's see what I have here for that. So it's just you're gonna land at, I was gonna see here. You land at this page right here. Let's see. Sorry about this. I'm just kind of doing it as I go here. I'm not going to edit it. I just want to get it going here. Get it out for you guys. So what happens is when you go to the site, it's going to ask you to sign up. And then you say that you're an individual. You enter your information here, and it's going to give you a email link so you can sign up for. And then what you do is you go through, you sign up. This is all the information you're going to have to answer, and I think it's going to be roughly the same as the SCE, but you are going to absolutely need to have a bill. So this is how I would recommend starting at, assuming you're not going to have energy storage, which, like, what's the point, right? NEM 2.0 gives you get to use the electric company as your battery, and I'm assuming you're going to start from scratch and everything. So that is what I've got so far, and it's going to be up to you to leave comments for others to, and hopefully maybe you can even create a video and record what you did, or just in the comments of this video, if you could just tell everybody maybe some of the hurdles that you had. But that's basically the end of the video, and thank you for watching, and please hit the like button, and good luck on your project.